Hi everyone. So a student emailed me about this question from the percentage change homework. So I figured it would be easier to shoot a quick video rather than try and type this out and explain it that way. So the question is, an item originally cost $40. The cost of the item decreases by 20% 1 month. So like a sale, discount. And then it increases by 30% the following month, so they mark the item up. Now, many people would make the mistake of thinking that the cost in the end is 10% higher than it originally was. But they're ignoring the fact of the baseline with percentages and how that baseline can change. So let me run you through an example here. So it's different than the one in your homework, but it's got the same concepts. So let's actually calculate this out. So if an item costs $40 and then decreases by 20%, like 20% off, well, we need to take the $40 and find 20% of it. So we multiply. Multiply by 0.2 because that's 20% in decimal form. I'll pull up the calculator just so you guys can watch. Should be 8. There we go. So that is $8 off, basically. So after we subtract that out, $4 minus $8, the new cost of the item is $32. Now, it's going to increase by 30%. However, the baseline is no longer $40. We're now operating on $32. So instead of doing 40 times the 0.3, we're going to do 32 times 0.3. I actually want to give this a little bit more of a buffer. There we go. 32 times 30%. You get 9.6. All right, now that was an increase, right? So we're taking the 32, which was our new baseline, and we're increasing it by adding 9.6 equals 41.6 dollars. So after the decrease in the markup, we're at $41.60, right? OCD, sorry about that. Now, they want to know if the cost of the item is 10% higher than it originally was. So this is what it originally was, $40. Let's figure out what 10% higher would be. So times 0.1. You should get 4. Right? That is... So 10% higher than it originally would be 44. But we're only at 41.60. So this is false, as I already insinuated in the beginning. Now, I believe the question wants to know, well, how much higher than the original is it? So 41.60, well, first of all, let's take a look at that. 41.60, how much higher is it than the original? Well, subtract to find the difference. The original was 40. You get $1.60, right? Now you have to divide the $1.60 to figure out what percent it is. Let me actually just use the fraction function here. $1.60 over the original $40. Now let's turn this to a percentage by multiplying it by 100 and figure this out. So 1.6 divided by 40 times 100. So it was 4% higher than the original. want to make sure, for those who don't listen, that I specify that it is false for those who might just be watching the screen. So here's the two solutions. Sorry about all these emails popping up. They clearly don't know that I'm trying to do something here. There we go. So those are your two solutions. I hope that made sense. It's basically, you just have to take into the fact that the baseline is changing. All right, if you need more follow-up with this, just reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help you.